Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where you'll find everything yarn and crochet related and everything in between. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you enjoy my videos. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make the double crochet, or I'm sorry, the double strand, two-color strand. You can use the same color if you want, but I'm going to be using two colors. Double strand crochet I-cord. Now, as you can see from the picture, I used it for laces on my shoes. I'm a bit of a shoe collector. So I had these crochet shoes. I did not crochet these. They were crocheted, but not by me. I bought them from a company. There's the company. They don't have this particular style anymore, but they do have other very beautiful crochet shoes. Anyways, they just had some plain white laces in them, and I thought I would make some crochet laces and add a bead. I thought it made them look a little bit more authentic, more crochet-y. So that is what I did with those. But now the double strand crochet I-cord does not have to be used for shoelaces. You can use it for so many things. You can use it for pulls on hoods, or if you want to put a string around the neck of a poncho, anything, you know, purse straps. Some people use them for small purse straps, anything like that, or anything you can think of. Some people make multiple I-cords and they'll braid them together and use them for purse straps. It's actually pretty cool. Or purse pulls, or, you know, anything really that you can think of. For the laces though, I did make my cord. Well, I straight laced my shoes, as you can see, which takes less. I did about 3 feet for a straight lace. If you crisscross, you're going to want to do 4 feet for lacing shoelaces. But if you want to use yours for something else, you make it as long as you want. It's actually a very, very easy technique. For the yarn, I use Red Heart Super Saver Metallic, which is the medium weight number 4. And then I use Walmart's Mainstay Sparkle, which is also medium weight number 4. Both acrylic yarns, both sparkly. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using a size I, which is a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So when I'm doing the double crochet, or the double strand crochet I-cord, I like to leave a long tail, usually about 1 foot. That way I can do what with the ends that I need to, whether it be make another knot, and I can clip it for as long as. Sometimes I like to leave longer strands that last, like they could be tassels or something, or add beads, you know, whatever you want. But always try to leave about 1 foot. That way you have some leeway to work with. So you just take it and you want to do just a regular slip knot on your hook. Now, like I said, this is a very easy technique. Okay, so there's going to be a main color on the two-color I-cord. One of the colors is going to show up more than the other. As you can see on mine, the purple is the one that you can see. It's more visible than opposed to the white. So you choose which color you want to show up more, and that is the main one that we're going to keep on top. And the one that will be a little bit less visible is the one that's on the bottom, like that. So this isn't hard at all. I say that the hardest part is the first stitch, just getting it down. Okay, so what you want to do is go in front of your top collar and grab your bottom one, pull it up like this to about the length of the rest, and then grab your other collar and go through all the loops on your hook. Now that first one right there is the hardest. Now the rest of them are going to be very, very easy. Now they're all made the same. So again, we're going to go in front of this, grab that bottom one, pull it up a little bit tall like that, even with this one over here. Grab your purple and go through like a single crochet, or grab your main color like that. See that? Again, in front of my main color, I'm going to grab the bottom color and pull it up the same width as the one that's on my hook. I move my fingers up as I go. Oops, I dropped that. And then I'm going to grab my main color and single crochet, just like that. See that? go up in front of your main color, grab the bottom color like that so it's on your hook, pull it up to where it's even with the one on your hook, yarn over, and just do a single crochet with the main color, just like that. Keep moving up. Just make sure that you keep your bottom color kind of tight and next to, that way it don't kind of wander away from you, and next to your I-cord here as you keep moving up. So go over the main color, grab that other one like that and pull it up to where it's about equal to the one that's on your hook, and then yarn over your main color and you just do like a single crochet. Go through the hook, both loops on your hook. I move up, but I make sure and I keep this bottom collar close to the I-cord that I've already made. It's easier to handle that way. In front of the purple, go down and grab the bottom collar and pull it up even with the one that's on your hook, and then yarn over the main color and just do a regular single crochet like that. See that? Again, I'm going to keep moving up as I go. I try to keep as close as possible to what I'm working on. That way things start to slip away if you start, you know, if you're hanging on down here. It's just a tip to keep it as close as possible, your fingers. Again, in front of your main color, and grab your bottom color, draw it up to about the same length as the loop on your hook. Take your main color, yarn over, and go through the loops on your hook just like a single crochet. Move your fingers up in front of your main color, grab your bottom color like this, pull it up to where they're about even, both loops look about even, yarn over and grab that main color and go through just like a single crochet. Go through both loops. And again, in front of your main color, grab your bottom, pull it up to where both loops look about even, grab your main color and just yarn over and do like you're doing a single crochet and go through both loops. And this is what we're going to keep doing the whole way up. In front of the main collar, grab your bottom collar, pull it up, yarn over with your main color and pull through the two loops. Look at this. After a while, you'll be moving super fast. And you'll be able to get the size that you need in no time. Just remember, you're always going in front of the main collar, grabbing your bottom collar and pulling it up, and then yarn over your main collar and pull it through just like a single crochet. Just keep moving your thumb and fingers up as you go, but actually it works up rather quickly and it doesn't take any time at all. Once you get to moving, you'll have your I-cord 4 feet, 6 feet, 2 feet, however long you need it to be in no time. Like that. And then once you get it, this is what it starts to look like. So you can see how the purple is the main color. That's what it looks like. So once you get it as long as you want it to be, you kind of just pull through. Say this is as long as I want it to be. Take both your loops and pull through this one left, and then you will clip them off. And then let me get my scissors here. You clip it off, you want to leave again about a foot or so. That way you can, like that, pull it tight. There you go. And you have an I-cord. So what I did when I was making shoelaces is I straight laced mine, and then when I was done, at the top, I just put another knot here. And this is what I would do if I was using the I-cord, say for a hood or something like that. I would do another knot really close to this knot, pull it tight, and then you can decide how much of this that you want to leave. I just left a little bit, probably about an inch maybe, just for decoration. You can cut it all the way off if you want, add beads, whatever you want to do, but that's it. And then you do the other side the same. Tie another little knot at the bottom and clip it off the same. So that is the double collar crochet I-cord. Now you can do it with the same color, like I could have did it with solid purple, but I wanted to add a little bit of definition with the two colors. But I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Hey, please don't forget to like and subscribe. like button, subscribe button, turn the notifications on. Link below in the description box of all my hundreds and hundreds of tutorials. Please check them out when you get time. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day. Bye guys.